Hi, Kurumi here. Today's recipe is miso soup with egg, tomato, and enoki mushrooms. Start by prepping your enoki mushrooms. Cut off the bottoms. Then separate the enoki like this. Next, finely slice one spring onion like this. Pour 500 ml of water into a small saucepan. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of dashi stock granules. And the enoki mushrooms. Bring the water to the boil. Simmer the enoki mushrooms for 1 minute. Next, add 1½ tablespoon of miso. Take care not to break up the enoki as you stir in the miso. Make sure the miso is fully dissolved. Break 1 egg into a small bowl. Give it a quick whisk. Pour the beaten egg into the soup. Stir the egg to make it wispy. Add some baby tomatoes and simmer 30 seconds only. Pour the soup into serving bowls. Last, add the sliced spring onion. Enjoy your miso soup with egg, tomato, and enoki. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.